Hey everyone, we want to see which devices are currently using our NordVPN account. In this video, we'll show you how to check all connected devices using MeshNet on NordVPN, so we can manage our account safely and easily. We check which devices are connected to our NordVPN account. This helps us manage our subscription and keep our account secure. NordVPN MeshNet is a free feature that creates a secure, encrypted, and private network. It lets us link up to 60 devices directly from anywhere in the world. MeshNet works like a virtual LAN, or local area network, so we can access files remotely, share data securely, play games, and route traffic through another device. For example, we can reach our home computer's IP address even when we are traveling. MeshNet on NordVPN helps us connect multiple devices over the internet as if they were on the same local network. It allows file sharing, remote access, and private networking between us, our devices, and trusted friends, all encrypted and protected by NordVPN. Let's follow these steps together so it's easy for everyone. First, open our browser. We go to nordvpn.com and we will be redirected to the main page of NordVPN. To check for MeshNet, we must first log in to our account. Click Login. Now, we are prompted to choose an account. We choose the account we want to log in with. We wait for it to load. Now, we are on the home page of our account. Here, we can see options like Home, NordVPN, the dark web monitor, downloads, and available plans. On the home page, we find MeshNet. We scroll down and look for MeshNet. Here is MeshNet by NordVPN. We click it and we see the Manage Device option. Click the Manage Device and here we can manage or see all the devices that are connected to our account. This is how we use MeshNet on NordVPN. MeshNet lets us securely connect our devices or other trusted devices over the internet as if they were on the same local network, making file sharing and remote access safe and easy. Make sure to set up the app carefully and only connect devices we trust. Stay connected, stay secure.